his willy flicking around in the vibrations of the truck. It's a bit of a distraction. What the? Morning. It's all kicking off. Can you? I don't know if you can see. Can you see out the back? See the road is flooded. It's all like, and it's all. So it's all coming off a pig farm. There's a pig farm up here, and it's all the surface water has just run off, and it is just flood. Like the roads are flooded. So this is Storm Babette. Who knew? I don't even know what that means. Like you'd think it would be a normal name, but Babette. I don't know anyone called Babette, and I've been alive 39 years. Don't know anyone. How you been? Hope you're well. Right, what we got today? Well, the storm's here, and I'm expecting to be crazy busy. First job is, I've got a Focus RS up at RAF Cranwell. Go to pick that up, take him to a garage, it's got a misfire or something. Then we've got another job after that, a Volvo V40 that is broke down because of the flood water. But I think there's a chance the winch today is going to be in use. There's people off the road everywhere. Obviously the police are arranging a lot of recovery, so a lot of the recovery boys are all stupid busy at the minute. It's weird, isn't it, how they name storms after, like, I can't remember, is it like they do a year of boys' names and then a year of girls' names or something? I don't know. But do you remember, who remembers, going back to the OG, who remembers Storm Bertha? Well, I'll tell you something. Me and my mate Jay decided to do a Euro trip to Monaco, and we had to get the ferry, obviously, and we were on the ferry in the middle of the English Channel in Storm Bertha. And I'll tell you something, it was that day that I discovered that I get seasick. I didn't think I did, but it was bad. Amazing comments recently, guys. I'll tell you what, I'm feeling very flattered by the love that is coming onto the channel, and I've had a guy, big shout out to you. What's your name? I'll think of your name. Let's go with Bob. He said he's had surgery and he's had a very painful recovery, and he's discovered my YouTube channel. Started at the start, watched them all the way through. And he was like, mate, how have you only got 3,400 subscribers? He was like, there are channels out there with 50, 60, 70,000 subscribers that don't do half as good of videos as you. And I was like, I like you, mate. You can stay. You are very welcome on the channel, people like you. I appreciate that, thank you. I do put a lot of time into editing. The video, the main day video, because I thought that was really boring. So when I was editing it, I was like, this is so boring. I don't really know how to make this better. So I spent ages on the edits, but it seems to be working. Shit, there's a tree down there. It seems to be working because people seem to be really liking it. And that's good to see the tree. Tree down. I don't know if you can see out the back. Right guys, we're nearly at Cranwell now. I think the big jacket's definitely coming out today. I'm gonna wrap myself up warm as toast, try and keep dry. I've been in and out of this car park about 500 times. You'd think that RAF guys would buy better cars. Everywhere's getting flooded now though. He's told me it's completely dead. Looking at that splitter, I think I want to put that on backwards. Right, we'll work it out, won't we? We'll work it out, guys, we'll work it out. I'm just sat here waiting for the guy. He said he ain't going to be long. Oh, this might be him now, actually. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get this on. I don't think I've got enough wood. Need more wood. Right, he's here. Let me get dressed. We'll see how we get on.
Hi everyone, I'm new here. I'm here to tell you that from this point onwards, this video all goes a little bit wrong. This is 100% because Ben is a complete plonker. The next bit you'll see is Ben explaining that due to the storm and the electrical fault on the car, we decide to postpone the recovery until the storm passes. He isn't having a fit. He is just an idiot that doesn't check his GoPro settings. It was nice to meet you all.
What a douche.
Transition. We're back. Look at the weather. I've also got my GoPro and I didn't put the bloody SD card in it. So we're back here with this Focus RS. Storm Babette has passed. We've been very busy. I'm going to film this on my phone, see how we get on. But look who else I've got with me. Well, he was here somewhere. Okay. There he is. Boy. Malcolm's back. Malcolm's back on the channel. Right. I've been up here earlier. I got my Noco. Got the bonnet open. Got the Noco on it. Got some power to it. Popped the boot. And then we've fitted the towing eye. Now I've got to try and get it to move. Obviously I don't like using towing eyes, you know this, or where's the sun? People on the channel that have been here a while will know I don't like using towing eyes. There's a reason for that, and here's a video to show you exactly why. What that guy did there, that you've just watched, is he had the pulling force going left or right or down. It was coming down and it's just ripped it to shreds. So ultimately we need to not do that. So I'm going to make sure we have a straight pull on it and we'll try and get it loaded up. There's the car, there's the Ron dog, there's the Malcolm dog. Here you go, Malk. It's Sunday, weather's beautiful, we're gonna have some fun. Right, I'll try and get set up. I'll put my phone somewhere so you can see. Okay, quick update. Right, so the winch is connected to the towing eye. I've put some power to it to get the steering lock off, so it's come to life. It is full of faults. It is absolutely rock solid, so all these brakes are going to need replacing anyway. Initially what I'm going to do is just start off by giving it a bit of a pull and seeing. What's it, Milk? Here's one for you. All these people that put these covers on their cars and then they obviously like go away for a while, they just don't do it. Like, what are you protecting the paint on that thing for? All you're going to do is damage the paint more because the wind is battering it against it. A friend of mine asked me about this for their motorhome the other day. Sometimes they can cause more damage than good. Anyway, I got sidetracked. Right, let's start up and see if we can get this to move a little bit. I don't know if it will, if it might even be completely locked up. Right, so we'll keep it at idle. Let's see what happens. Working out there, Mark. Right, so that's the tension taken up. Let's face that, oh my god, in the direction of the pole. Right, let's see if it moves. Oofed. But it's gone. It's moving. God, look, you can see how long. What the? That's weird. It's got its own microclimate under there, man. Bob. Oh, there you are. It's alright, stay there. Good boy. It's alright, gotta have a wee. Go on then. Gotta have a wee. Yes, quick. Good boy. Oh, I'm happy that this is moving. Now, the next thing is though, I've got to try and get it on the truck. Look at it. All the worms. Why would worms move in under the wheels? Sorry about that, guys. Yes, free state is over. So the Noco's powering it, look. Right, let me get these ramps out. Set this up. Trying to make it as long as possible because that is low. I was going to pull it on backwards, but it doesn't really make a difference. I'm just going to take it nice and steady. Hopefully, get no issues, it just goes on. But I've got lots of pieces of wood, so we'll experiment, we'll make it work somehow. All them worms. What's that about? How are we getting on, Malk? Alright, it's running away. Right. I gotta be honest, I didn't think this would move this easily. Let's put the handbrake on a little. I know this is pretty slow, but I'm trying to do it really controlled. There we go. Let's go straight at that. Got it clear. I had to actually resort to physically lifting it. But that just gave us, it was about 4 or 5 mil there. Gonna need more wood. Well, I've been filming on a GoPro for ages, and now I'm filming on the camera. It's rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. Right, this is the bit that puts the strain. There we go, we're up. Couple of clicks on the handbrake. Keeping an eye on that angle there. Once I can get that front strap on, like that'll do. That will do, donkey. Handbrake. Window up, all on the Noco, good old Noco. Sponsor my video. Right, power off. And right, all straps on. Malcolm's in the truck. I did want to say, just very quickly, a big shout out to my mate Alex Sargent. I know he's a subscriber on the channel, but he sorted me out with the wood. So thanks for that, mate. Right, I've never actually filmed with my phone in here, so I'm going to see if I can put you on the mount and see if we can still do a bit of stuff to the camera. But I'm a bloody idiot, didn't put my SD card in my GoPro after I filmed all the storm stuff. Storm Babette. You need to put your seatbelt on, pal. Oh, you old man, aren't you? It's a little bit zoomed in, isn't it? Can't zoom. Right, we're on our way. You ready, Malk? The RS is safely on the back. Oh, I've lost the glove. Oh, there it is. Found a glove. Anyway, how you all been? Did you all survive the storm? I hope you did. I hope you're all safe. Because it was pretty bad, wasn't it, Malk? Well, you were asleep most of it. We were busy. I will get some video out of what we got up to in the storm, but it all got a little bit repetitive. Basically, people drove in floods. I pulled them out of floods. Charlie was really good. I had a 4 Series stuck in park. We could not get it out of park. So do you know what we did? Jacked up the back and scooped it off the jack with Charlie and got it safely delivered. He came into his own really in the floods. It was good. We had a good, productive couple of days. Wow, you gotta say hello to them all. What's that face? I've put the camera purposely a little bit higher so that you don't see his willy, because everyone keeps moaning about, well, or laughing about his willy flicking around in the vibrations of the truck. It's a bit of a distraction. They're really friendly on the rough bases now. They all sort of know me, which is nice. Just had a good old chat with the guy on the gate there. He was a nice man. I like nice people, don't I? You know this. I like nice people. If you're not a nice people, get in the sea. So I don't want to go into the details, but basically this guy has bought this car, and I think there's a problem with it, which is why I can't start it and why it's been sat there for 2 years. But yeah, as you saw, we tried to get on it on Friday, but the weather was just horrendous. Right, this is a bit of a terrible camera angle, so I'm going to finish now on this bit. I'll film us getting it off at the other end, and it'll have just been a quick video, but it's nice to just touch base in it and let you know that we're still here. We're still sorting people out, still putting the fun back into people's breakdowns. What are you doing? What are we doing now? Right, we're here. We have arrived at the garage that it's going to. So I'll get this all unstrapped. I'm just going to leave it there and post the keys. No one's going to nick it, are they? It doesn't work. Right, Malcolm. There are lorries in this area, so you need your high-vis vest on. Ready? Hey, look at you. Come on, let's go to work. Come on then. How awesome do you look? Go see then. Where's the squirrels? Look at the rats. I wonder if I can put you somewhere to watch. How does that look? I don't know. Does that look okay? Relatively straightforward that time. Let's wait there, stay there, sit. Wait. Okay. I do like a Focus RS. I test drove one once, but stay there. And there we go, safely off. Right, Noco powered up. So the battery on this is absolutely, completely dead. Ignition off. I'm going to end it here. There's that Focus just there, dropped off, safe and sound. From me and Malcolm, there you go. Malcolm, say goodbye. Who's this? Nope, not interested. I hope you've enjoyed seeing him again. He's not been on the channel for ages, have you, pal? No. It's because he's getting old. So am I. Everything else. Guys, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for coming along. Thanks for your continued support. Remember, if you do want to support the channel, look in the description. Blah, 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 blah. The more membership we get, the bigger the channel gets, the better the content. Really? Stay safe. Have a great week. Much love. See you on the next one.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So